Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance. Weekly tips and tricks. Our tip for this week is about using data entry form in Excel. If data entry is part of your daily work, check this feature and how it can help you be more efficient. There's too many ways to enter or collect data in Excel. The easiest way is to manually enter it in cells. However, it can be very difficult for the person entering the data to know where to put what data, especially with the never-ending cells in Excel. For large chunks of data, it is prone to error and time-consuming. Worry no more. The data entry form can solve this problem and guide users to input correct data in the right place. Here's how. First, let's open Excel and add data entry form to the quick access toolbar up top. Simply click the drop-down arrow and choose More Commands. Set the Choose Commands From to All Commands. In the box below that, scroll down and select Form. Click the Add button to add the form on the right box. Click OK button at the bottom right. This adds the form icon up top. Now we have added the data entry form in the quick access toolbar. Let's create a table where the data is entered to. Enter your header in each columns and select Insert. Choose Table. Enable My Table has headers, then click OK. Highlight your table and click the form icon up top. From here, you can enter the data in the fields and click on the Form button, New. With the existing data in table, you can also delete and navigate through each row. Surely, this provides a convenient way to input or show a complete row of information. Stop moving from column to column. Start using data entry form. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.